we have our box right in front of us here. 4 pounds directly shipped from the States to my house right now. It came in this morning, so I have a very good idea of what exactly this is. I have placed a couple orders for different things, but I am quite sure that this is something that just came out not too long ago and that everyone should be pretty excited to see. I'm not sure if other people have already gotten theirs, if I'm a bit late to the party, but we've got it open. And I believe I am right. We see inside is another box. But yeah, let's get this out of the way. What we see right there, that's that Supreme logo on there. It's on that side too. We got the nice Nike at the top there, and as you can see there it says, so it's the Air Force 1 mid 07 Supreme, size 10.5, and do a quick pop open. See these beauties? And there they are. I don't want to ruin the wrap or anything. Bam! Look at that baby. Ooh. She looking nice right now, that's for sure. You got the Supreme on the top. Get all the different team logos, Eastern and Western Conference. She's looking real nice. Have these, the new fly outfit. And here's the left shoe. Supreme again on the top Velcro. You got the Supreme Air Force 1 sort of medallion buckle there. Supreme logos there. Overall, these are looking real nice. But yeah, I mean, the shoes sort of speak for themselves. You've seen the pictures, you've seen the unboxings. I just thought I'd post up, let you check out that I was able to cop them in a 10.5. And yeah, hopefully I'll either be rocking these. I'm not sure. I won't be doing it on feet because I may be handing these off to a good friend of mine, so I don't obviously want to have worn them before he does if he's getting them off me. But yeah, here they are. Hope you enjoyed.